Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to apply Petal credit card on your PC. Petal card are legitimate payment methods and credit building option. It is designed to build credit that is reported to major bureaus. To apply for Petal credit card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.petalcard.com. Then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to the official website of Petal. Now here you can see cards option at top. Click on cards, then you can see Petal 1 family option and Petal 2 option. Click on the option that suits your interest. Then here you can see apply now. Click on apply now. Now here you'll be taken to the application page. Now here you need to start your application by entering your email address on the given box. If you have already started your application, you can click on continue here. Then re-enter your email address on confirm email address box. With that, now enter your first name on the given box. Then enter your middle initial if you have one on the given box. Now enter your legal last name on the given box. Now select your suffix by clicking on suffix box. After that, enter your phone number on the given box. Now click on street address box and enter your street address. When you are entering your street address, you may be able to find your location, so click on the location. Street address line 2 is an optional choice. With that, enter your city, then select your state, then enter your zip code on the given box. After doing that, scroll down, then enter your social security number or your identification number on the given box. It will be used to classify you. Then enter your birthday on the given box. Now select your employment status. Then select whether you are a student or not. Then select your income type. After that, enter your annual income amount on the given box. Now select your housing type. With that, enter your monthly housing cost on the given box. Then scroll down and click on how did you hear about us and select how did you learn about Petal cards. With that, once view through all the blue highlighted information by clicking on the options. After viewing through all the information, click on the box stating you have reviewed and agreed to all those terms and conditions. Then once view the privacy policy and terms of use, then click on the option of continue. By clicking on continue, you agreed to privacy policy and terms of use. With that, you have to provide further details and then you'll be able to submit your application. After you submit your application, it will take few days for your application to be reviewed and you'll get notification about your card on your mail or your phone number. This is how we can apply for Petal credit card. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.